seconds left of action in this fight. And here we see that left once again find a home on the face of Christian Gonzalez. Rey Perez, big left hook, folds down Christian Gonzalez.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, suporta naman. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. February 22, 2018. Dumayo itong ating kababayan na si Rey Perez na may bansag na sindangan teknisyan sa bansang Amerika para harapin itong kilabot na prospect nila at knockout artist na rin na si Christian Gonzalez. Ginanap ang laban sa bansang California, non-title fight at nakaschedule lang sa 8 rounds. Bit-bit ng dayong Pinoy ang record na 21 wins, 9 losses, 6 dito via knockout, habang itong batang prospect ng Amerika ay bit-bit ang impresibong kartada na 18 wins, only 1 defeat, 15 dito via knockout. Sa mismong laban ng dalawa, nagpakitang gilas agad sila sa harap ng mga boxing fans sa Amerika. Mga kombinasyon ang binabato sa katawan at ulo, tila walang humpay na batuhan ng mga kamao, patibayan agad ng budiga ang naging laban nila.
Gonzalez came right out and got hit with a...
He was knocked out cold by Romero Duno. He's getting hit, Bugb, and Rey Perez.
Well, he was there to get hit or countered, even if he do hit.
Fought Jesse Magdaleno tough. Magdaleno now the W. Looking slow is Gonzalez.
Watch your head, Christian, watch your head.
You know, Gonzalez has to get warmed up, and you know what? But hit. At least as often as he get hit, because right now he's just walking into punches that he can avoid. Turned that same left hand before he brought it back into a left hook. You know that
Both these guys just trying to load up on their punches. 10 seconds to go in the opening round. Christian Gonzalez, Rey Perez. In Indio, California. Gonzalez Bernard, exactly what you said. His father telling him, you're not moving, you're not jabbing, you can't just throw one punch. And Rey Perez coming out strong right away, going upstairs as Chimpa looks slow.
Rey Perez is like a technician. He continue to what? Bang the body, stay close, and get the better combinations.
Perez actually working with a new corner. Marcos
Round 2 pa lang, pero parang nasa 12 rounds na ang laban dahil halatang pagod na ang dalawa sa kakabigwas sa isa't isa.
In front of each other face and trying to impress each other with their will and combinations.
blood from the left eye. Body shot from Perez.
What? It's going to take a lot from both guys to pull each other to the point where they want to back up. Or either guy. That was a good punch on left hook, and he got some reaction.
Perez wobbled Chimpa. He's on the ropes. He's bleeding. Another left hook from Perez. Solid round for the Filipino with 10 seconds to go. It's scheduled for 8. Bonus coverage. Gonzalez and Perez slugging it out in Indio.
Tuloy pa rin ang mas ma-action pang laban sa mga sumunod pang mga rounds. Tila bawal ang pahinga sa kanilang bakbakan.
Chimpa's dad telling him, you're losing. Body work from Chimpa. Had a lot of knockouts. That's 15 KOs. People start questioning, well,
to a fight and not forget about the things that need to be done to win.
that right hand by the pace slowing down. Chimpa with a left hook. A right from Gonzalez. A right from Perez. A left from Perez. Gonzalez just leaning on the ropes and getting hit by Perez.
Stop at the bell.
Solid round for the Filipino.
Watch your hands.
As Gonzalez corner. Interesting to see what they have to say. The fight. Usually it seems like he's the one in control of the fight.
One of those combinations, if we see the replay later, that's good body shot.
Uppercut by Gonzalez. That connected. Final seconds of the fourth round. Christian Gonzalez, Rey Perez, grinding in India.
Round 5, kahit duguan na ang kaliwang mata nitong kalaban, ay patuloy pa rin itong sumabay sa bugbugan. Mga kamao nitong knockout artist na Mexican-American ay tila di umubra sa panga at katawan nitong ating kababayan.
You gotta put both of those back and forth. This fight is not one-sided on either side. I see this fight being very, very close.
Ruling.
Listen for that bell.
And they're still throwing. Perez and Gonzalez.
Letting the judges know that he's in control. And that's a smart corner move by letting their fighter straight down the middle.
Bouncing around Perez. Solid right by the Filipino. Chipa on the ropes. Gets hit by the body. Perez with the sharper punches. Chipa wild with his.
Great right hand. What a good. And he took that hand. He took that right hand right on its pushing off with his left shoulder. Then he dig into the body. And then he.
Oh, solid right by Perez. Chipa answers with the left, but Perez is.
Look for this round and the next round for Gonzalez now to go all the way out smart, to stay on top of Gonzalez and not let him get off. He hit me with rounds to score in this fight because, from my perspective, both guys are in. We might see the first knockdown of the fight.
Another boot. He looks gassed. Eats a left. He's trying to hold on. Perez giving himself some room to work. Gonzalez on the ropes. Perez.
Stop at the bell. 10 seconds.
Solid round. There's that uppercut, Biha.
Round 8, tuloy pa rin ang walang humpay na laban. Talagang patibayan ng stamina, matira-matibay sa ibabaw ng lona.
Right hand. Amiwa Gonzalez had in him. They stepped him up with the.
Natapos ang laban sa scheduled 8 rounds. Napaka-maaksyong salpukan ang nakita at nasaksihan. Pero sa desisyon ng tatlong hurado sa laban nila, ay tila hindi na kontento itong American-Mexican na si Gonzalez. Kitang-kita sa mga mata at sa naging reaksyon niya ang pagkadismaya. Panalo kasi dito ang Pinoy na si Rey Perez via unanimous decision.
All for your winner by unanimous decision, the technician, Rey Perez.
Kaya matapos lang ang 5 buwan ay muling naglaban ang dalawa para malaman talaga kung sino ang mas matibay at mas malakas sa kanila. October 18, 2018, sa kaparehong arena, nagtagpo sa pangalawang pagkakataon sina Christian Gonzalez at ang ating kababayan na si Rey Perez. Non-title fight pa rin ang laban nila at nakaschedule pa rin sa 8 rounds. Sa mga unang rounds ng bakbakan, tulad ng dati, naging ma-action pa rin sila sa ibabaw ng lona. Mga malulutong na kombinasyon at patama pa rin ang pinapakawalan nila. Punteriya ang ulo at bodega.
Nice rivalries. Now
He sets up his body shots with these combinations.
nice. And the only way he's moving his head now is rematch between Rey Perez and Christian Gonzalez. Decision victory over Chimpa, and the way he's fighting early on, you see the
Get that southpaw position punches together. Combinations and all that. But right now, Rey Perez should be throwing punches and not let him get close, not let Christian get close to get.
Malulupit na body punch ang tumama sa bodega ng Pinoy sa mga huling segundo ng round 2. Buti na lang nakasurvive ito.
left hook to the body from Christian Chimpa Gonzalez here in the second round of a Schedule 8 rounder. Now the combination punching, 7 knockouts. So he doesn't have big knockout power, but if he lands like he did earlier.
Just got hurt, Perez. And I don't know how he's holding on, but he just got hurt.
Bahagyang nakapahinga sa corner niya at patuloy na sumabay sa bugbugan sa mga sumunod pang mga rounds.
With the jab. But when he goes back in the corner like this where now he's at it. Enough with his strength from his body is pushing Perez back.
Nice right brain giving him a respite. And here comes Chimpa Gonzalez once again, working off of that left hook. Now efficient, where he's a southpaw or when he's on the right.
I think he's more efficient when he's a southpaw in the mission, so he can't even go out the back door or the side door, which is the right side.
Nice.
For everything, the close fights you must put. Here we go, body shots.
Big finish from Chimpa in round 3.
Fourth round, tuloy ang laban. Nakikitang mas natatamaan dito ang Pinoy. Paubos na ang kargada sa bodega pero talagang matibay. Nakatayo pa rin at sumasabay. Habang itong kalaban ay dahan-dahan na rin nauubos ang hangin sa bodega sa kakasuntok sa matibay na Pinoy.
Boxing on ESPN. When you tune into ESPN2 at 7.
Defended because the strength level is not there, and you see now he's getting hit with some punches.
Didn't like that. Chimpa still needs to be careful.
Yeah, but he waits to see if it.
you see Christian Gonzalez. Nice jab there from Christian Gonzalez. He gets caught with a nice left hook to the liver. Close out the round. Gonzalez seeking vengeance against Rey Perez alongside Bernard Hopkins and nice counter.
But if he don't continue to throw punch aim rotation of the last rounds, because going for the last couple of rounds, and you know what, the referee's on a different side, they don't cheer it, because that's a defensive offensive move that is working for it.
7th round, dito na natuldukan ang kanilang sagupaan. Ang nanghihinang Pinoy ay tila naging halimaw na. Isang malabag yung left hook ang tumama sa mukha ng kalaban, naalog at nahilo. At di na ito nilubayan ni Rey Perez.
Keep your body tight and work.
That in this fight, whoever has their back to the ropes is in bad shape. And here's a left hook from Rey Perez that hurts Christian Gonzalez, and he's looking to finish here in round number 7.
Exactly what was told to Chris. That's what happened.
Oh.
And it doesn't look like he's going to survive this fight.
Another big left hook. Round number 1. His legs are wobbly. He's leaning forward. He's looking, and he's...
At sa mga huling minuto ng 7th round, di na kinaya. Bagsak na ang kalaban ng Mexican-American.
Of Christian Gonzalez. Rey Perez, big left hook, folds down Christian Gonzalez.
7, 8, how are you?
Sinubukan pa niyang tumayo pero wala na. Wala na talagang pag-asang makabawi pa.
Is closing, he can't see that left hand, and here comes Rey Perez looking to close the show, and Dr. Lumaban steps in for the big comeback knockout win of a Rey Perez over Christian Gonzalez.
Natapos na rin ang pagdududa. Tinuldukan ni Rey alias Sindangan Technician Perez ang laban sa isang impresibong 7th round knockout.
Seconds in round number 7. Your winner by knockout from Sindangan, Zamboanga del Norte in the Philippines, Rey the Technician Perez.
Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa video ito? Ang inyong komento, suggestion at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.